As a mother of 7, there is no hope of a craft room in my near future. And my crafts have kind of taken over my bedroom. At this point, I've got them all in totes, and the totes make my room feel like a storage unit. And that's not really the feel that I want. Plus, it kind of has that cluttery feel. I do like that they're clear so I can see what's inside them, but I want something that's going to add to my room instead of take away from it. My idea for renovating my craft area came from getting this big chest. Now, I was able to put all 7 of my fabric totes into this one trunk, and I thought that it looked so much better and still maintained the organization of my craft area so that I can find things. So that's what started my idea to start collecting and renovating these old trunks. If you want to see how to renovate an old trunk, go ahead and take a look at my video. I did 3 of them on there, and they're kind of the 3 basic designs that I come across. So now it's the exciting part. It's time to start putting them all in and organizing them and see how it goes. So I have 26 totes at this point, 13 of them being yarn. Since I have a crochet business, it's kind of important that I keep that yarn. Make sure that you remember to put felt pads on the bottom of your trunks. Now that I have all my yarn put away, it's time for me to figure out what to do with my paints and my other crafts. I think this tray is a great space for the paint because I can lift it up as a whole tray and take it wherever the kids are doing their painting. This last trunk is just a combination of wood crafting and then just natural elements. I homeschool, so crafting is actually more than just a pastime for me. It's also a part of the kids' schooling. Now that I'm all out of trunks, I'm going to move on to my suitcase. And for this one, I'm doing all of my soap and candle making and bath bomb stuff. I also have 2 hat boxes. I'll put all of the ribbon and lace in one and all of the bias tape and rope and cording in the other one. And then I'll just put my directions on top for how to make a ribbon bow. And if you want to learn how to do that, take a look at our video. And then these are all ready to go. Now I'm down to my 3 baskets. For the tiniest of baskets, I'm putting in all of my kids' stickers and tags and just any of the little things that they can do for crafting. Then the medium-sized basket will get all of my cutting tools. The biggest basket will hold all of my Cricut cutting stuff. I stacked those baskets right in between the dresser and the trunks. Above my craft pantry is a space that I've used before, but I think that I can do better. So I'm gonna go with some crates for up there. One of the crates I'll fill with some fleece throw blankets. Now these I use either for gifting to other people or sometimes I'll just cut them up and use them for the material. For the second crate, I'm going to put in my tanned rabbit hides. I've been working on these for a while now, and I can't wait until I have enough to be able to do a little rabbit patchwork quilt. And then it is just a matter of taking these spaces that have kind of become catch-alls and organizing them and trying to make them kind of fit the feel. Renovating my craft room by changing out all of the plastic totes with renovated trunks really made me feel like it was an area I could be more creative in and an area that I just enjoyed spending time in.